Welcome. In this tutorial, we will create a VHS old tape style video in After Effects. First, import the footage like your videos and also one video that is from pixels.com. This is the video that I have got from pixels.com. It's free to download. I will share its link in description. Once you have imported your footage, create a new composition and rename it as footage. Add your footage here. I have added 2 videos just to test that how it looks good on different colors. Create a new composition and rename it as grid. Create a new solid. Rename it as grid. Use effect grid. You can see it has white color grid. Change the color of the grid to black and change the border to 12. Now for anchor pinpoint, make it to the outside of the canvas like this. In this way we have multiple lines on x-axis and we need to just remove this one line from y-axis. For that purpose, use this corner pin and move to the other side. And you can see we have only the lines that are on the x-axis. So we need to decrease the distance between them like this. And Control D to duplicate it 2 times. Now add this grid above this footage and play with the opacity, like I think 19 to 30. Let's set it on 19. Now use this footage and pre-comp it and rename this to final composition. Add our adjustment layer. Now we will add some effects. First effect is emboss and change the relief to 3, contrast to 300 and blend with the original 82. Now we will decrease some its brightness and contrast. Use effect color emboss. Change the relief to 5 and blend with the original to 82. Adding dust and scratches, also noise. Change the amount to 2. Use color balance. Decrease some lightness and saturation. Use shadow and highlights. Uncheck this auto amounts and change the shadow to 39. Use directional blur. Change its angle to 90, so the angle will also towards the x-axis, and change the blur length to 5. At the end, the footage that we got from pixels.com, add it above and change its mode to screen and increase its width like this. And that's it. So you can see the video is changed and it is not like original one. Let me give you an overview for this. You can see a lot of difference. Okay, and let's see some other footage, like this footage we have added. Wow, it's a great difference. So in this way you can use this effect for free and create your own and create this and have a VHS old tape style effect on your videos. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with others. Till then, I will see you in next video.